Thousands of customers are genuinely cashing out real money from this service. What do they do to bring in such a sizable sum of money online? Well, typing is just that. In this video, you can finally take advantage of the chance to earn money online by simply typing. The best thing is that it doesn't call for any experience, technological know-how, upfront cash, or effort. It is available everywhere and offers numerous cash-out options. You might make between $150 and $700 by simply inputting names. Warning: if you don't watch this video through to the end, you'll probably miss the 3 crucial ideas I emphasize throughout the entire clip, which will lead to failure. In addition, I'm offering a few free bonuses and free software that you can use right away to help you double or triple your money. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Visit Namelexcom first, and this is how it works. A company called Namelex comes up with the business names. They employ artificial intelligence to generate a brief and distinctive business name instantly whenever you enter a term and click the Generate button. Using this free software, you may come up with lots of original names for companies like Google, Spotify, Instagram, and Airbnb. These companies all have a great reputation, and using only this one strategy, one person may make thousands of dollars every week and month. Take a look at these people. They are all making 6 figures. We'll use this software and go over many instances so you can immediately start making money by just typing names. This website where you can get compensated is what I want to show you. Check out SquadHelp.com. You can earn money on this website by typing names for different businesses. There are many business categories on this website, and inside each category are many names of firms that have already been created and are making money. Analytic, Interworks, Knowability, and OnPoint are some of the businesses featured in this example, along with Zembly, Truvisory, and Analytic. As you can see, by simply entering business names, thousands of people are daily making a large profit. I'll provide you numerous illustrations of how it functions within your account, along with a few software tools you may employ to begin making money online. To begin, let me walk you through creating a free account. Simply click the Sign Up button at the top of the page to create an account. You'll be directed to the appropriate page by clicking this. Your first and last names, email address, password, and password confirmation should all be entered. A display name, sometimes known as a username, should also be entered. Because we'll be putting up name recommendations for various enterprises to make cash, you should choose to join as a creative or marketplace seller option under this topic. Then click this button to sign up without cost. After logging into your account, you can participate in a number of projects and competition to win hundreds of dollars. You can just keep working for hours, completing different chores, because several opportunities will pay you $200, $500, or even thousands of dollars every project. You may make that money every single day by just typing. For instance, all you have to do to learn more about this particular project is click on this link, which will take you to a web page with more information on the competition. Every task and competition have a due date. You won't get another chance to enter after the allotted amount of time has expired. But once more, your website offers a huge selection of jobs, competitions, and projects. You might submit a name to that particular business and receive payments of up to $200, $500, or even $700. I want to take you step by step through the submission and typing of names so the business can earn hundreds of dollars. Simply click the contest icon at the top and choose winners when you go back to the SquadHelp website to get to a page where you can browse previous contest winners from other companies and organizations. To conduct some study and get an idea of the types of names people frequently favor, we're going to look at the previous winners. On this website, you can search for several names that have won numerous other competitions or projects, and you can find multiple commonalities among all these diverse projects. There are a lot of business names that are short, clean, and simple. You can get some creative inspiration for inputting names and also earn money from any endeavors you want. The second bonus idea, which I find valuable, is to use software. When you return to Namelexcom, you can type a phrase such as online course, which is the term of the project we're going to join. Simply click the Generate button to leverage AI automation to help you generate and come up with a business name. You will next proceed through a series of stages to give additional information. You can select at least one name length in this case, such as short, medium, or long names. Short names have the biggest chance of winning cash awards. As soon as you click it, scroll down below and select Generate, they'll start to amass and give you numerous premium choices. These are all the suggestions supplied by the machine that operates this website, which will also make suggestions for logo layouts. Then, you can obtain each of these ideas without charge by simply pressing a few buttons. Enter the name into SquadHelp and submit it to begin getting payments. Now that we've moved on, I'd like to recommend another application you can use because Namelex occasionally gives bad choices that are not exactly what you're looking for. By going to the website truic.com, you can go on to another choice. Once more, we can use this name generating generator and enter the keyword for the company, for example, online course. I like that you can enter the company city or state as well as its industry when using the software. They can then focus even more and give us a more accurate code or recommendation for the kind of business name we're looking for. Take into account a US company that belongs to the teaching and coaching industry. Enter it and click Generate, and they'll start looking and give us a ton of potential company names. Take a look at these names. They were all chosen with online courses in mind. If you select Show More Results, you'll find that they even offer over 30,000 options. I'll give you with one last piece of advice on how to research a domain name to boost your internet income. This gentleman has won before. As you can see, all he had to do was type the name of the business. The domain of this company's website is shown as a recommendation at the bottom of the company name. If you can give us the name of your company and we can verify that the domain name or URL link is available, your name will have a better chance of being selected and winning the reward. To check the availability of the domain name, for instance, you might type the name into namemesh.pro. To see if a domain name is reachable, for instance, we'll input it. In case the website is reachable, you might suggest it. You increase your chances of working on multiple projects at once and earning far more money online by doing this when you submit the answer. It is crucial to confirm the name you have chosen is available, that many individuals may reliably make thousands of dollars each week via SquadHelp by simply typing, giving them the financial security to do it full-time. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.